decision. Imagine it. You wake up in the morning not with a sense of obligation, but with a clear intent. You move through your day with purpose, not confusion. Your words are in harmony with your deepest values. Your actions are a direct reflection of your vision. Why? Because you are no longer divided. You have chosen who you are and the destination you are steering towards. You are not shrinking yourself to fit into someone else's expectations. You are not suppressing your ambition because you fear what others might think. You are no longer in a debate with your own doubts. You are leading your own life. So ask yourself, what decision have you been putting off? What fundamental truth have you been avoiding? What call to adventure have you been ignoring? It might be a change in your well-being, your career path, your most important relationships. It might be a grand vision you've held for years, but have kept buried under layers of practicality and fear. Perhaps it's summoning the courage to leave behind a situation